Lance Gamer Alpha here, and oh boy, what a week I had. I was going to do a video last week, but well, things happened. See, I had one of my hard drive, which was up to 70% full for a 2 terabyte, and I was updating for the bar of 38 to 39. And then the hard drive failed. But then again, what do you expect? The hard drive was up to 70%, so you're just a matter of time. Then I went over and bought a 4 terabyte hard drive, and then I had so many problems. I had a lot of disk errors and everything else, and it was just going crazy. I was getting frustrated. Bought two 4 terabytes hard drive, and then realized what was wrong. I had some help from the from Facebook, from Pop! OS Facebook. You should try, if you ever need help with Pop! OS, you should join their Facebook group. Maybe check out Nabara's Facebook group too. Just saying. And I finally figured out what's wrong. Kinda. Well, yes and no, but I figured out a workaround anyways. And I'm going to try to do it with the 500 gig because I think I can still do the format on the 500 gig, but I will show you exactly how I got Nabara 39 working on a 4 terabyte hard drive, and I can show you it's working. I did a couple of retries. Where is it? Hard disk activity, yeah. No, that's not right. Oh. DISK disk. Let's do the disk partition. Yes. Alright. As you can see, I have a 4 terabyte hard drive. I had to manually do this, and I will show you exactly what I did, but this took forever. Literally forever. And I don't even know how much of the swap that I did. I don't remember how much of a swap I did. I think I did 16. Hope that's not the swap. No, I don't think that's... I don't know what that is. VRAM. Oh, that's VRAM. Okay. Weird why it's showing VRAM. Yeah, only 16 point... I should have gone a little more, but that was... Well, I did the best I could. But anyways, let me explain 2 different formats of a hard drive. Now, there are 2 different versions of it, MBR and GTP, which if you want to know what it means, that master boot and grid, format. Doesn't matter. As you know, well, Master Boot's been around for quite a while, and you can do UEFI and legacy BIOS, and it will work on Linux all the time, no matter what. Up to 2 terabytes of hard drive. If you are using a 4 terabyte hard drive, you would have to go over and use a GTP. Now, here is where I was having trouble, because every time I try to do the installer, which I will set this up right now. we're going to do it with the 500 gig. There we go. Oh, right there. Alright. This will definitely work on the 500 gig, no matter what. Yeah, we don't really care. We do the low. Yeah, we go this. Actually, partition. When I was doing erase disk, I don't know why this thing. EFI GTP. Okay, that's weird. When I was doing erase disk, it was erasing the disk to master boot, which is weird because it says right here EFI and GTP, so it should have done GTP, but it didn't. It did it on a master boot, and I still don't understand why. So this is how I did this. We're going to get out of here. Yes, we're going to quit. Then you want to go to disk. I think, was it disk storage? Which one did I do? That's high disk. Disk uses? No, that was not it. Let's put the other one. Disk. Disk partition manager. I think it was something disk. Anyways. Where is it? Alright, so on this, you can go over, do a new, I think it was new partition, create a new partition tab. Now, this is where you're supposed to change from master boot to GTP. This is what I did. You go into create new partition tables. Then you put a new partition. I'm going to show you how to do it with a swap, the Linux swap. As you can see, this has the partition there. You can just slide it. Come on. Yes. No. Okay, this is being a pain in the butt. There it goes. You slide it all the way down as much as you can. We're just going to do a little heavy, not too much. But yes, you can slide as much right there. This is going to be a lot bigger one. Also, why are we can't have a drop thing for the memory space? I mean, really? Megabytes? Whatever. And then we hit OK. Then you go into the unknown right here. Do a new partition. And we're going to do BTRF. We're going to leave this all because we're going to use up all of this. Hit OK. Then hit apply. This will create the partition when we need. Hit apply the pending. As you know, it did the GTP. This does take a little while due to the fact that you are running this on the flash drive, which is fine. It shouldn't take too long. It's just the way it is, but it should be a lot shorter here because it's 500 gig. You hit OK. Now you can see everything is what you did, plus add a little space right here. Then you get out of there, go back to the installation. Now we're not going to need internet right now. Choose all this. And why is partition manual partition delete all corrupted. Okay, weird. Erase manual partition. This didn't happen like this. Where is it? It was before you had this right here. Wait, what the hell? What the hell is going on? Oh, that... I thought I got rid of this screensaver. Oh. Okay, that's weird. But that... What is going on here? Okay. Before... Is it because Before it said to replace a partition. It's missing here. You had to go over. There was a missing partition right here. Is it because I... Cancel. What did I do? Okay, install here. Alright. Anyways, okay, let's try this. Fine. This. Key partition master. Fine, we'll just do this. I don't care. New partition. We'll do MS-DOS. I don't care. This is ridiculous. New. You know what? Let's do all this. I already showed you what the... This is so stupid. See if it does this. Because this is ridiculous. It should have... It's not doing what I want it to do. Okay. Unless, of course, it knows it was a piece of... Yeah, why is it doing it like this? MBR. Before... Alright, there was a selection where it says to replace the partition. It's not there anymore. Which means... What is going on here? Erase this. And you want to put the replace right here. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Hold on. I'm going to do something real fast. Okay. I don't know what was going on, but there was a button right around here where you can say replace partition, and you can replace one of the partition. Just had to click on this. I don't know what's going on, but it seemed like it only did it to my computer, and I was having trouble. It was kept on changing the format to master boot, which is still was on GTP. I don't know why. And it was getting frustrated, and it only did it to this my computer right here. But I have fixed it, because I can even show you which I think I already did before, but I'm going to show it again. Right here, 4 terabyte. It was right there. I had to do my own little Linux swap, which is like 7. No, that's the wrong one. 16.17, still a little low, but it's still good enough. But that's what I had to do. And I wanted to go over and clone my hard drive, but they're locked. You cannot copy and paste through any of them. Was it Jeep Harding? And that kind of sucks. So I decided to go over, did a fresh install of 4 terabyte, kept saying that it kept having a drive fail, but it kept changing it to master boot. I had to go over, change the do my own partition. I changed this partition to a to the Nabara, which is this is the Nabara run right here, and it did its own thing with the ext4 with the boot menu. But I couldn't figure out why I had to do that. It made no sense. But I wanted to do this video because I was having this trouble. And let's face it, 2 terabyte hard drives are starting to go down. I mean, 4 terabyte hard drives are starting to go down in price to a reasonable price. And when Linux users going to be getting these hard drives, they're probably going to go get a 2 terabyte or a 4 terabyte. They're always going to get the bigger one too, and if they can afford it. But if you are using, but they only can use it on UEFI, not legacy BIOS. So if you are using a legacy BIOS, you cannot do 4 terabytes. But you can RAID 0 2 of them. You might as well, let me just bring that up again. You might as well, because the price for 2 terabytes, you might as well just do it, because they're almost at the same price as the 2 terabytes. So you can get like, what, $80 worth one, and that's almost like a 4 terabyte one for the price of 2 or something like that. Could be cheaper, and it could be the same price. So do what you can do. I'm the Lance Gamer Alpha, and I'm sorry I didn't put a video up last week with all this stuff that's going on. But I'll try. But now everything's going well. I got a new desktop now with Nabara, and now we can go over and make more videos. See you again, and goodbye.